to the hometown crowd. 0-1. Delmonico hits it well. Right center field. Bradley at the wall. Jackie Bradley can't make the catch. Hey, Nicky, it's a 3-run homer. And the Sox win. Another walk-off. My goodness.
Pretty much exactly like the McCann home run, a towering fly ball to right center that just kept on going. And Bradley at the wall with a leap ran out of room. And the Sox, the White Sox, take the first game of the series in dramatic fashion. And how about that? Nicky Delmonico got enough lift and just enough to get it out. And a battling White Sox team comes back and gets this one.
Nicky Delmonico is beloved in that clubhouse. And for him to do this is a huge moment in his year, a spinner that got out of here.
It was a slider that didn't slide.